Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss the following two topics of first chapter of physics: measurements and experimentation. First topic is kinds of units, and second topic is system of units. Let us start with first topic: kinds of units. There are two kinds of unit. First, fundamental unit. And fundamental unit is also called basic units. And second is derived unit. What is fundamental units? Fundamental unit. What is fundamental unit? What is fundamental unit? The unit which does not depend on any other unit is called fundamental unit. As for example, the physical quantity mass, length, time, temperature, etc. are fundamental units. Its unit is, the unit of mass is kg, kilogram, the unit of length is meter, and the unit of length is second, the unit of temperature is Kelvin. So these are fundamental units because the unit of this physical quantity does not depend on one another. It does not any unit of fundamental unit does not derive from other units. Second is derived unit. The unit which depend on the unit of fundamental unit is called derived unit. As for example, area, volume, force, speed, etc. are derived physical quantities, and the unit of area is meter square, which depend upon the unit of length meter, the unit of volume is meter cubes, which depend upon the length of units, the unit of force is equal to mass into acceleration. F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma, and the unit of mass is kg, and unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So this is the unit of force, kg, meter per second square. Speed is equal to distance by time, and the unit of distance is meter, and unit of time is second. So the unit of speed is meter per seconds. So here the unit of speed depends on the unit of length and unit of time. So derived unit depend on the fundamental units. Let us start second topics, systems of units. In fundamental quantities, length, mass and time are three basic units, and the unit of these physical quantity in systems of unit, there are three systems of unit. First, CGS system. Second, FPS system. And third is MKS system. In CGS system, the unit of length is centimeter, and unit of mass is gram, and unit of mass is gram, and unit of time is second. In FPS system, unit of length